Hey, what's up guys? We're here at the gas station just filling up. We're starting our 6,000 mile journey today. We're on our way to KC Hilights to get the new Pro6 installed. That's going to be epic. The trailer's ready, the Jeep's ready. All we need to do now is get gas and hit the road, and then we'll be there. Stay posted, keep in touch with Turtleback Trailers and my Instagram, and yeah, follow the journey. What's up guys, we're here at KC Hilights in Williams, AZ, and I just picked up my Pro6 for the JK. Yeah, and I can't wait to light up the trails at night. It's gonna be great. Huge thanks to KC Hilights for hooking me up with this. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, just got the Pro6, so stoked. It's gonna go in my Jeep tomorrow morning. Yeah, it's been a long time coming, and just thanks to everyone that's made it happen. It's really, really cool. Hey, what's up everybody? We're here in Williams, AZ. We spent the night out camping here, not far from the KC facility. This is the Pro6 we picked up yesterday, and we're going to be installing it on my Jeep Wrangler this morning. We're going to be using these super beefy brackets that come with the lights. They're really cool. So we've got to take off the old lights, old brackets, put all of this stuff on, wire it up, and yeah, I can't wait to see what it looks like. What's up guys, we just got the Pro6 installed on the Jeep. We're going to run the wiring, hook it up, test it out, and then we'll neaten up all the wiring and we'll be ready to go. So we ran the KC wiring kit through the firewall, up into the switch panel, hooked it all up. We isolated the Pro6 switch so it's on its own circuit. We are ready to, we just got to zip tie a few of the wires away and tied it all up, and yeah, then we're ready to ride. Okay, what's up guys? We just got the Pro6 installed on the Jeep. The wiring's in, the switches are wired up, and yeah, they work great as you can see. Can't wait to get out onto the trail and use them. A huge shout out to KC Hilights, And yeah, stay tuned for more.